Hey everyone, today we're going to be foraging some dandelions that I found here at the local park. So as you can tell, I'm here in the local forest park area, but there is so many dandelions everywhere you can find. For starters, a lot of dandelions are edible. You just want to always make sure that pesticides or insecticides are not sprayed in your local lawns. I also avoid getting dandelion flowers from local freeways or busy street areas. Now that I have them bundled up, I'm going to put them in my foraging basket. Now you have your dandelion tea.